All right, hello. So, I am making this video mostly to just record me making a Unity cube. Funny story, actually. I've attempted to make this video 4 times now, but hopefully this time it goes better. So I've already imported a background here. This is just a picture of a Unity logo, and we're just gonna kind of draw it out on this cube. So yeah. Uh, if you want me to make a YouTube video, I guess with your logo, or if you just want me to make your logo um, on a cube like this, or even just a sign, or just, render a neon tube or something like that, with your logo in there and have it on a black background, we can do that too. It makes for great wallpapers. I do it all the time. Uh, you can check out my Valorant logos that I have on there. Um, But yeah, so let's just get into this. We're going to try and turn this cube here. It's currently a picture of a Stride game engine. We're going to turn it into a Unity one. I know it's a little bit probably, illegal or something to do such a horrible thing because we're basically cheating on Stride here. But we're going to go ahead and make one for Unity. Probably uh, won't take too long, but hopefully we can get into it. So first things first, we kind of want to go over here, or we definitely want to go over here, and we're just going to try and um, draw the Unity logo. So I'm going to go over here to texture paint, and we're going to select probably, yeah, we want to do this texture, and we want to paint we'll do this one first. So this is the outline here, and we just want a nice little outline for the logo. So we're going to start off by painting it black because black things can't emit a texture, or they can't emit light. So by painting it black, we're effectively just erasing everything. The reason why it wasn't black before is just because I previously used GIMP, but I don't feel like going through the learning process of relearning how to use GIMP. It was over a year ago when I made this cube for Stride, and it was actually for a little competition. I ended up taking way too long on making like some physics demo for the cube because I had the cube done very quickly, but I never uploaded it, I guess, to the site that would, I don't know, it's like the final upload site basically. I never uploaded it over there because I was too busy making a physics demo for the cube. It's actually pretty cool. You can check it out on CG Trader. I have a short little video of it. Currently, it's my most popular YouTube video with a steaming hot 12 views and one like, maybe two. I don't know. I actually can't tell where the like came from, so it could have just been me from a different account because who knows. But yeah, so here's our Unity outline. Now we're going to go over to basically the inside of the Unity outline, and we're going to paint this black as well. So let's increase our brush size and just pretend like there was nothing there. I'm going to go back to 5 pixels here. And funny thing, the way Blender decides to do its pixel painting, whatever you want to call it, like what I'm doing now on the right side of the window, like this side here. If you're zoomed in, it'll actually paint it smaller because you're zoomed in, and if you're zoomed out, it'll paint it larger, which has its pros and its cons. There might even be a way to change that, but I have no idea if there is because I am not a Blender professional or guru by any means. But yeah, so it always gives me a hard time because I will be zooming in and out like this, like I literally just did. And then when I go to draw the rest of it, it never really lines up properly because I changed the size of the brush by doing that, which always throws me for a loop. This video is just to test out whether or not I can make a YouTube video, and I'll actually think it's, you know, worthy of uploading. I'll probably end up uploading it anyway, just because this is literally just an experiment, you know. Because if I'm gonna do something, I might as well record it and see how it goes. I'm actually gonna erase this little thing here because I don't like it. Bam. All right. So yeah, there's our outline again, but this time we're just gonna fill it up with the paint bucket. So we're gonna do that pretty easily here. We're gonna go paint bucket. We're gonna select the color that we actually want, which is here. And then we're just gonna whoop, paint it just like that. And it looks like I left out that area. Okay, everything's good. So now that that's done, we're going to paint the regular cube texture. So, yeah, we want to paint this probably not a hot salmon pink. And instead we're going to go with, let's go really, really dark. Just like this. And we're not going to use the paintbrush. Or we are going to use the paintbrush. We're not going to use the fill brush. And we're just going to basically shrink it down because I don't want to paint over the other stuff. Over here is like my paint palette that I made, you know, so I can copy and paste the same sort of texture. It's literally like a paint palette. It's pretty cool. Okay, so now that this is done, we got a nice gray background for it, and I think I want to paint the outside rim area a lighter color. So what we're going to do is we are going to use the paint bucket and we're just going to make it brighter. But it looks like it painted everything brighter. Yeah, so I think that's a little bit too bright for me. You don't want to paint literally everything bright white. So we're going to go a little bit darker. Yeah, that'll be nice. And then we're going to go back over here and turn this into a black background again because I messed it up just a little bit. All right, so now if we go over here, hopefully I painted it all correctly. I did. And there's our logo. It actually uses the node editor, but I already have it all set up. So yeah. Now we're just going to go over here. We're going to save as the Unity cube. But we want to save all the parts of it, which I will do now by going to the texture painting and saving each one of these. Image, save as, cube texture. Then we want to go over here to the emissive one. Let's just save all the images. Does that actually work? I don't know. But yeah, so that's my Unity cube. If you want your cube or something like this, let me know and I can work with you and we'll try and make it. Thank you for watching. You definitely don't have to leave a like or subscribe because this is just a test video.